This time, I'll remove your head myself!
We'll see about that. Relentless assault!
Prey! You'll pay with your life! Easy prey! That will not go unpunished! No! Solstice of pain. As night falls, winter's chill sought the unworthy through an endless night. They wither and tarry. Forsaken frosts, as cold as death, of baleless misery, the pack won't forget. Solstice of pain. I smell your blood, and I am ravenous. Chilling frost. Requiem on high.
Your head's up.
I will take out your heart and savor each bite. Freezing gale. The air grows colder. Agnar the Rune. Agnar the Impaler. As swift as death. And imbued by the moon. Cursed or gifted. Branded and afflicted. Your veins soon chilled. Agnar shall slay again. Requiem on high. Chilling frost. I will take out your heart and savor each bite. Killing frost. Solstice of pain. I will take out your heart and savor each bite. Your pulse quickens. The eternal impure. With bloodlust empowered, our Exile endured, but soon all were devoured in unending war. Death waited at the door. Then hour by hour, men fell as summer soured. Requiem high. Desolation. I will take out your heart and savor each bite. Chilling frost. justice of pain. I will take out your heart and savor each bite. Desolation. Smell your blood, and I am ravenous. Allow me to clear you.